Hey guys, so this is one of the Target beauty boxes. Just everybody in the whole world is getting on the beauty box train because, beauty subscription boxes have become crazily popular, and now there's a million different subscription boxes for everything from like alcohol to like household items to books. You can get a subscription box for every type of activity or every type of need or interest. It's really crazy. So anyway, a lot of stores have now started coming out with beauty boxes just to introduce customers to some of their new products. And what's really great about it is you get quite a lot of items for a really good deal. So this box was actually $10, but it comes with a $5 off coupon. So spend $15, get $5 off. So if you did need to buy some items from cosmetics, skincare, hair care, or personal care, which is a pretty broad range of things, if you did need to buy $15 worth of items, you could use this coupon, and then that essentially means the box is $5 because you just got $5 back from the $10 box. And this box really intrigued me because I have heard really great things about this new brand called Coco Kind. It is fairly affordable, but it's not incredible. It's not like, I wouldn't say it's cheap. It's just relatively affordable for skincare, because this size, the 1.7 ounce of their texture smoothing cream, it's in this really nice glass bottle. This product is normally like $22. So just the fact that you're getting this $22 cream in a box that comes down to $5, that's pretty awesome. So that you're getting that on top of all the other items in the box. So this is sort of the number one thing I was interested in, is this texture smoothing cream, and I would definitely do a review if that would be helpful. It looks like a really cool product, the Coco Kind. And if you guys have tried this brand, I'd be curious to know what you think. I know that it's really popular right now. This is Theory Fluoride Anti-Cavity Toothpaste. So that's something that, I can always use more toothpaste. It says designed with science in mind. Made without dyes, parabens, no artificial flavors. So they're trying to sort of sell themselves as like a very natural brand. So like no artificial colors or flavors, and but still obviously with fluoride, so it does get your teeth nice and clean. So that is a pretty nice size. That looks like a full-sized bottle. So I'm definitely going to be using that. Who can't use more toothpaste? And there's a dry shampoo. I definitely would try that out. I want to say I've tried this brand before. It's been a long time though, so I'm not positive, but this is clearly a mini size, but it's nice, for travel or to throw in your purse. And then this is something I've actually reviewed before, and I do like this product, so I'm excited to get one of these in here. And I think that this is typically around $8, maybe $7 or $8 for this little mini lightning wand. So already you're getting this $22 cream plus this $7 item plus the dry shampoo, the toothpaste, everything else. Wow, it's just a really good deal. And then there's the alcohol-free toner. Now I know people have mixed feelings about witch hazel, but I know that they say that if you do use witch hazel, use it in moderation so it won't dry out your skin, and then also look for the alcohol-free witch hazel, because the alcohol-free will be less drying and less harsh on your skin. So this looks like a good one because it's witch hazel, but it's alcohol-free. It's soothes with rose with wild crop certified witch hazel. And this is 8 ounces. That's also a pretty large item. I wonder if that's the full size of that product. And then this is a Tom's Natural Strength Sensitive Deodorant. It's 48 hours deodorant. And this also looks like it's full size. That's interesting. It's in like a kind of a cardboard tube. I have used some more natural deodorants, and my experience is, it's not really bad experience. Like I do like the smell, I do like the feel of them. But my experience has been that they don't last as long. Like you do need to reapply halfway through the day, but this one does say 48 hours deodorant. So it'll be interesting to see if it lives up to that claim of lasting for 48 hours. That's a really long time for a deodorant to last. So that would be cool to see. And then this, another cool item, it's a Spring and Vine shampoo bar. So I've tried one of these before, and I know that these are like really popular now because you can get a lot of shampoos of your hair without having a big plastic shampoo bottle to throw away. And so it's this little bar, and you just kind of get some lather off of it, and you use that to shampoo your hair. And it's just, I guess it's just the main thing is it's very environmentally friendly. So if you find a shampoo bar that you like and that works well for your hair, that's sort of like a nice option. Okay, and there is this Luster and Lum collagen peptides. I'm not sure if I'll be using that. I'm not really so much into supplements, but that's fine. I mean, everything else in the box looks good. So this is this is actually, I think I read about this. This is actually, it goes on top of your face mask. So if you're putting on a sheet mask or any type of face mask, you put this sort of silicone mask on top of it, and it helps the ingredients to sink in. It helps to keep it from like drying out as you're like letting it do its magic. So it's just supposed to kind of help improve the process of using your regular face mask. So that is also kind of cool. So that is the awesome box that I received, the awesome Target box. I will link this one down in the info box, and they do have a bunch of other ones as well. They actually have quite a few different options. I think some of them aren't even beauty, some of them are other products as well. So you might want to go and check those out because it is a pretty awesome deal. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.